Hello, Mo. Mo!
Try the boa.
Hello, Mo. Come on, then. Oh, thanks very much. Mo. Come on. Hello. You don't like me, do you? You don't like me at all. No. Hello. This is all right. I'll use you. You can scratch me. Are you sticking to your foster mummy and her pink slippers? You're purring loudly. Are you happy now all your babies have gone? You are, aren't you? So yes, I can be just me now. I'm no longer mummy. And you've got a beautiful wound there from where you were neutered. It's a tiny little wound. You've not got your onesie on anymore. And we've got a cat match on Monday for you. And hopefully you'll be off to your new home soon. Yeah, soon. Not now. Soon. Are you staring out that door? Huh? Come on then. Go. Say hello to the camera. We've got lots of people that love you. Yes, they think you're wonderful. Quite. Look what you're doing. Says, yeah, I can play with toys now. Instead of all my little brats playing with them. Yes. I'm going to kill this feather boa. Which is something that we love to have for the cats. And if anybody feels like donating some to us, we'd be more than grateful. And I'll take that note out for the fosterer later, because she can't do it. That pink really suits you, Mo. Yes. I love the fact you're getting to play now as a young cat, and you're no longer going to have to play the mummy role. You've had enough litters, no more. Well, they're saying that one litter's too many, isn't it? Yes. Is she teasing you with that? Go on, kill it. So stop doing the housework and play with me. Just forget the blanket.